Hey, what's going on, traders? This is Talon2303 with Tradelab. Today, I'm going to bring you another strategy that I've built in Tradelab based on a video I found on YouTube. I have done a longer video, which will be in the link below if you want to see the entire setup on Tradelab, going from watching the video to finding the alerts, setting up the alerts, and figuring out all the different rules and stuff. See my thought process behind it. This is just going to be a short explanation video and a basic run through so you can see how you're going to set this up yourself if you want to try it out. But this is not financial advice. I am not promising that this strategy is going to make you money or work. I've never tried a strategy like this before, so this is going to be interesting for all of us. I am doing update videos now on strategies I've done in the past. Also, if you do not have Tradelab yet, you can get it for free if you use the exchange BitGet exclusively. You get unlimited bots, unlimited strategies, unlimited everything. This is not a crypto illusion bot where you get one webhook and have to pay for Discord access, one bot for 65 bucks or 95 bucks if you want a little more Discord access. Don't waste your money. Come to Tradelab, trade for free if you use BitGet. If you like it and you want to use other exchanges, $49 a month, unlimited strategies, unlimited everything. You get to copy the strategies that I make, other people make from the community browser. You can share ones yourself. If you eventually find something that works really well for you and you want to charge a fee for somebody else using it, you can do that too. We got Forex coming in the future, stocks coming in the future. It's going to be growing exponentially over the next year and more. But for now, let me tell you about what I got for you today. I just built this. It is not fired yet. I'm interested to see how it works. Never done anything like this before. It's essentially a DCA bot. This is a strategy I found by TradePro. He calls it the highest win rate trading strategy I have ever seen. 5-minute liquidation zones, insane results. The reason I wanted to do this is because it's new stuff to me. I've never used the increased position size in Tradelab before. I've never added to a position as it goes down. So this is pretty interesting. I'll show you the indicators we're going to use. You're going to have two EMAs. You're going to do the 200 and the 50, but you're going to come in here and you're going to set the time frames to 15 minute, and we're going to actually trade on the 5 minutes. So you got the 200 EMA, the 50 EMA, and then this liquidation levels by Leviathan or something. Here are the settings. I've put them in the strategy setup. I'll also have the link to the original video below, but you're going to change a couple of these. You're going to turn off liquidation bubbles and do market order bubbles. You're going to turn off these liquidations here. You're going to change the buy bubbles to red. These are actually going to be our short entries, and the sell bubbles to green. Those are going to be our long entries. You're going to change these three settings to 3. And let's see. Oh, and this max number of lines to 500. I believe those are the only changes. We also added the swing highs and lows by Matsu Bitmax, so we could do our take profits. There is going to be no stop loss on this strategy. That makes me nervous, but we're going to try this as he says. So here's our rules. To go long, you want the 50 EMA, which is my yellow line, above the 200 EMA. You're going to wait for the price to retest the 50. And then on the first green dot, you're going to enter your long. And on each green dot after that, you are going to add to your position. He didn't say how much to add to your position. I'm doing 50% of what I started with on each addition, which will essentially move your entry price down. So then you are going to take profit when you either hit the recent swing high, which would have been over here, or there's a red dot, new red dot. I also added that you will close the order if it's a red dot and you are in profit. So I'll show you how I set that up. And then shorts are the exact opposite. You're going to wait for the 50 to be under right here. Looks like we don't get any trades here. So you want the 50 to be under the 200. You're going to wait for a retest, and you're going to wait for a red dot, which does not happen until down here. And then every subsequent red dot you're going to add to your position until you get a green dot. And then you are going to close your position unless you hit the recent swing low that would have been from over here. So it looks like that would have been a You'd have been in profit there too because of how many times you added to the position. Think, man, you'd have gotten stopped out bad over here because you would have closed above. I don't know. I may be rethinking this. Definitely don't try this until you see it. We're gonna try to improve on it. I think he even did a video improving this strategy, but yeah. Yeah, I think you would have added to the position on this one because you got the you would have gotten the retest here. Retest. Maybe added to it. Added. Where's our swing low? So the take profit would have been somewhere down here. Yeah, you'd been waiting for a green dot. You would have closed out over here. I don't know. Maybe it wouldn't have been as bad as I thought because you would have constantly been moving your entry price down every time you DCA'd in. I guess that's the whole point of a DCA entry anyway, except you would have been way up here when it closed. We'll see. We may be fixing this later. All right, so those are the rules. Let me show you what we got here. It's going to be the Trade Pro highest win rate. Show you everything I've got in here. We've got our swing high and low data being populated. Now we are only populating our swing high and swing low variables when both swing high 1 and 2 are greater than 1, or swing low 1 and 2 is greater than 1. We have our EMA crosses. We have our 50 EMA retest. The EMA crosses, reset those every time that happens. Here's our long. So you want the 50 to be above 200, the 50 retest to be true, get your long signal, set the side to buy, take line price goes to the swing high, place the order, and then you're going to set the retest variable to false, in long variable to true, just the opposite for the shorts. And then when you are in a long, so if you're in a long and you get another long signal, you're going to increase your position, and I did by 50% of the original amount. And you know what, after seeing how many times, let's just do 1x. Very low risk. Yeah, we're going to say that 1% on 1x, and hopefully that won't be too bad. I don't want to get completely wrecked. Okay, so adding to the order if you're in a long, adding to an order if you're in the short. To close the long, you want the current price to be greater than the entry price. Get your short signal. If you're in a long true, you're going to close the order, and you're going to change your in long variable to false. Close short is exactly the opposite. You got the in short variable to be true. Current price has to be less than the entry price. And close order goes to false. And then also if the EMAs cross again, you're going to close your order. So that's a very quick rundown of what this is. I think you just saw how risky this could be, which is why you should probably not follow me into this one. I mean, you're welcome to put it on your chart, play with it, see what you can change to make it better. If you think there should be a stop loss somewhere, which would probably be smart, let me know. I mean, the whole point of a DCA bot is kind of like, you know, always moving your entry price. But yeah, I don't know. It's maybe really stupid, could be really good. I'm going to look at his update video, which I think just came out not too long ago, and see how he improved that. Maybe I'll build that one too. But we'll see how this one goes for now. But yeah, you'll be able to find it here in the community browser, copy it, put it on your strategies list, try it on a testnet account or something. Go crazy like that. There's no risk involved. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Um, like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you want any other strategies built in TradeLab, anything that works for you. Contact me on Discord if you have any questions. We're going to be building a new Discord channel soon that is specifically for strategy setups. It's going to be for TradeLab, but it's going to be strategy building, strategy ideas. Just we're going to get the community involved and just try to get this whole thing ramped up even better. I believe that's it for now. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.